Greetings and welcome back to another edition of Pan Asian. My name is Skiz Fernando and my mission, as always, is to show you how to make a quick, easy, and delicious Asian meal in your very own kitchen in under 10 minutes. Now, if you've ever eaten at one of those storefront Chinese restaurants in New York, you'll notice that the deep fryer is doing double duty. And the reason for this is that fried chicken, deep fried chicken that is their most popular menu item. Now, I did a little research, and in the province of Sichuan in China, they have a dish called dry fried chicken. So I thought we'd try that out today. It uses very little oil. It is super spicy, very tasty, and very easy to make. Dry sherry. I'm actually using some Fuscia cooking wine here. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Salt to taste. As well as flavor. And we're going to follow that with the rice wine and the soy sauce. can also add a pinch of salt. And you basically want to cook this, stirring every once in a while, for about 10 to 15 minutes. They say until the chicken is dry, toasty, and fragrant. And finally, you want to add your vegetables. And then stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Just so the vegetables can soak up some of that flavor. Okay, finally you're going to kill the heat altogether and just finish it with this sesame oil, just for flavor, and give it a nice stir.